Hello and welcome YouTube. Today we're gonna do unboxing something very much special for me and my kids. So we're gonna do unboxing for Oculus Quest 2, the newest generation. Um, the Oculus Quest 2 from Meta, which is Facebook. Let's do unboxing. Comes with, alright, let's see here. It comes with the Oculus console and the carry case. Alright, so let's do unboxing and see what is inside the box. Okay, it's a brand new, seal it as always. Recommend you guys. I got this one from Costco. It's currently on sale, I believe. It's a $399 before tax. This one is a 256 gig version, because they have two versions. I believe they have a 64 gig and 256 gigabyte. So this one is 256 gigabyte storage. So one of these requirements for first time setup, you have to have a Facebook account. So you will need to activate and set up Oculus Quest with a Facebook account. So let's get started and do unboxing. Now break the seal. It's a brand new one. Here we go. Okay, and let's see. Okay, it's probably from this side. Let's see. Here we go. Yep. Alrighty. Let's see. Oculus Quest 2. Okay, it is inside the box, has VR headset, silicone cover for facial interface, and two Quest 2 touch controllers. It comes with the two AA batteries, power adapter, glasses spacer, and charging cable. Let's see. Here we go. Here's the box. Okay. Ooh, nice one. Here we go. All right, let's see. That is a small package inside. Okay, what's this one for? Okay. It comes with user guide manual, all right, and charger with I believe 1 meter or 3 feet, USB Type C to USB Type C charger, a cable. Okay, so charging cable and pricks. That is USB Type C. Okay, that is very much here. And two controllers. Wow, looks very much cool one. Okay, two controllers and the headset itself, which is, wow, that is a fancy one. All right, and comes with I believe glasses adapter or a glasses spacer. They call glasses spacer. If you are wearing glasses, then you may need to use this one, because that is gonna give you plenty room on the headset itself for people who is using the glasses. And this is the strap, I believe. Yep, that is the, oh no, that's not the strap, that's, I think it's the bezel. That's the bezel for the headset, and that is the strap. Here we go. All right, so that is everything for the Oculus Quest 2 second generation. All right, so please feel free to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up. Put your comments, your question, and thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Thank you very much. See you next time. Have a good day. Bye.